Hi everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Today going to do the update video on pepinos. So hopefully some of you have seen the video, but I started a video, I did a video start of the year where I was propagating some pepino plants from one that I'd overwintered. For those that you don't know, pepino is a small fruit. I suppose, well, that sort of size, golf ball type size, or a little bit smaller. Tastes a bit like, well, cross between, say, a honeydew melon and pear cucumber-ish, but yeah, really nice and sweet. Anyway, getting sidetracked. This is yeah, just an update on what the plants are doing, and yeah, let me show you. Let's turn around. So these are the cuttings that I took yeah, from the start of the year. That was the mother plant, so a couple of the cuttings came by way of basal sections, and then I took a couple from the top when I did a bit of formative pruning. So I've potted one already, so just thought I'd show you basically what I'm doing. So they're in 13 centimetre or 1 litre pots at the moment, and that is the pot I'm going into, which essentially is a 4 litre pot. And what I'm doing, I'm using a multi-purpose John Innes mix. Trying to do this one-handed, so let me just get the plant out of the pot. So that's the root ball formation already. Just pop it in, just trying to get it a little bit more upright, and then backfill around the outside. So the idea being is that we want to just keep the plants moving on before they totally fill out their root zone, or all the available compost that's within the pot they're in. And just by using this slightly heavier mixture will enable them to keep growing nicely, but also to retain nutrients. You'll see the mottling on the leaf. They did get a bit of an attack whilst they're indoors of spider mite, but also they start going into this growth stage and they just use up nutrients like anything. So I found last year that I had to feed them pretty much every week just to keep them looking green. But that's essentially them potted up, and I will pot that main one as well. You'll notice that I planted them slightly deeper in the pot than they were, and that is again just to try and encourage some of this basal shooting, which those shoots will anchor and enable a sort of really good strong plant. So yeah, that's the plan. So thanks for watching the video, hope you found it interesting. Any questions, just send them over to me, and obviously I'll respond and get back to you. Yeah, I'm just hoping that I get some good fruit this year, that's the main thing. But yeah, please keep subscribing to the channel. It's great to see some new people messaging. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on future videos that I'm doing, and most importantly, just get out, have some fun, enjoy doing the gardening, and yeah, if you can try something new. But till the next video, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.